improve my fluency, to get my confidence level high, and to be frank while speaking with the peoples on face to face or on video call, communicate with the other Australians in English language only, because we don't know their regional language and they don't know our regional language. So it's a mode of communication. English language is a mode of communication
I
for.
realize no, English is not tough language. Everything depends on practice.
Very good evening to you again.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
I am good, and thanks for asking me. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking me. So we are meeting for the first time. So could you introduce yourself?
Yes, yes. Myself, Ranjit Singh, and I belong to Rajasthan, Jhunjhunu, and
Okay.
I am in government job. And right now, I am posted in West Bengal. About my educational qualification, I completed my post graduation with English literature, and
Okay.
now I am on I am learning spoken English. And yesterday I made a YouTube channel to
Okay.
learn spoken English, and so I can communicate with the people through that channel. That's all about me. Can you give your introduction as well?
Okay. Thanks for asking me. As you know, my name is Priyanka Gupta. I'm a government teacher. I teach in primary school. If I have talk about my qualification, so I have completed my post graduation as well as PhD, and these days I am preparing for assistant professor. And also, I am a learner. I am learning English. That's why I'm running my YouTube channel. And I have a daughter. She's a 5 years old, and I live with my family in Greater Noida. That's all.
In Greater Noida. And are you
So
basically from Noida, or you have shifted from somewhere else?
actually, I am born and brought up in Gorakhpur, but I
Okay.
live with my lodge family in Greater Noida. Yesterday, you made your YouTube channel.
Yes, yes. Yesterday in
Oh.
morning, I made a YouTube channel, and it's my fourth conversation.
So, when did you think that you should start your YouTube channel? Yeah, someone suggested you.
No, no. I was just scrolling the YouTube, and I saw that so many women and men had made YouTube channels to improve their fluency in English language, and I was
Yes.
also working on that. And since 1 year, I was watching so many English speeches and English conversation videos and podcasts, etc. And since 7 to 8 months, I'm also using the two audio talk apps, which is Ace Fluency app, and another one is Josh Skill app. So
Okay.
I was working to improve my English, and that's why I also thought that I should make my YouTube channel so that I can connect to the people and have a conversation with eye to eye contact, so that I
Yes.
can get much more confidence in me to improve my fluency, and I can remove my hesitation as well. That's why I decided to make a YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, audio calling is different and video calling is very different.
Yes,
So
exactly.
yeah, whenever talk to any person as a audio call, so we feel
Yeah.
very comfort. But if we will talk same person as a video call, so we feel very hesitation. So
Yes.
it's a common problem. Also, I had faced this type of problem in my initial time.
Yes, exactly. You are saying right, because in audio call we can't see the another person who is speaking with us, and if we talk to someone in face to face or in video call, at that time it really happens that at some times we get your lack of confidence. We lost our fluency as well. We also lost our confidence, so that to get confidence to be fluent in the exam, it's necessary to be
Yes.
have some conversation on the video call. And apart from it, I also decided to take the subscription of Cambly and Clappingo app, like that. But I was just
Yes.
thinking that on that app, there the tutors are so expert, and how
Yes.
can I communicate with those people? So I decided that on the YouTube channel, I have to mail to someone and I will connect to the people. I will upload my videos so that by watching those videos, another people can mail
Okay.
me and connect with me. That's why I was saying about my journey that when did you think about to make a YouTube channel? So
Right.
to improve my fluency, to get my confidence level high, and to be frank while speaking with the peoples on face to face or on video call, I decided to make a YouTube, what can I say, channel. That's all about me. And you were saying about you that you are already in a good job in teaching job. And I think are you in the English medium school? Are you teaching in
No,
English?
no. I teach in Hindi medium school.
Then why and when did you comes in your mind that you have to improve your communication in English language? What was the requirement of it?
Yeah, no, you know that English is a very important for everyone. And a few months ago, I realized no, I should learn English because it's very necessary language. So I can't talk any person as a good way. So that's why I'm learning English. But
Yeah,
also I have face a problem whenever I talked any person audio call, so I feel very comfort. But whenever I talked as a video call, so I feel very hesitation. So that's why I started my YouTube channel. I wanted to remove my hesitation. That's
yeah,
all.
well said. And it's great step that you are thinking to open it tuition classes to improve English language for the poor people children, right? And
Yeah,
it's
it's
good step. And you are saying that the poor people son children comes in your school, especially in government school. We know that in our country only
right.
poor people's children comes because they are unable to pay their high fees in the convent school or in
Right.
any other higher private school. So you are working on that, and it's a great step towards the society to serve something, to do something for our society. It's good thought, and best of luck for your
You.
future if you will do something for these type of children or these type of people. Today we know that the world is diversifying because the peoples are connecting from another countries. One country's people connecting to other countries people,
Right.
and the we can say global language is English only. We can communicate with the Chinese person. We can communicate with the Britishers. We can communicate with the other Australians in English language only because we don't know their regional language and they don't know our regional language. So it's a mode of communication. English language is a mode of communication for all over the world. And if we talk about the job in private sector as well as in government sector also, it happens
Right.
during the interview that we have to talk in English language only in interview. They say that you can speak out in Hindi. We can have a group discussion with other people in Hindi, but I think
Mm.
Hindi don't matter a lot if you are speaking and if you are giving interview in Hindi language. That's why we looks that every person is improving their the English fluency, and it's today's requirement. We have to work on that. It doesn't matter you are working wherever you are working, or you are working or not. If you are just a homemaker and you have to
Right.
go in your children's school, and there yeah, the teachers of your children may talk with you in English language. At that time, if you are unable to give the reply
They,
to those teachers, it's a shameful things for us, and we will feel ashamed that we are unable to talk with them, and we can't ask any queries about our children. So that
right.
happens in our society. So it's necessary to learn about the spoken English to get fluency in today's era. And you were saying that traveling is your hobby, like you like to
Right.
travel.
Yes.
Then where did you travel till now in our country, and have you gone ever abroad as well?
Yeah, actually, I have visited lot of places like if I talk about Goa, Pune, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Jammu Kashmir. And also I am from Delhi. So Delhi I have visited entire Delhi and Lucknow, Allahabad, Gorakhpur. So I have visited lots of places, and as well as if I talk about foreign country, so I have gone one time Nepal.
Oh, that's nice. And I think in our country you
Also,
have visited so many places.
yeah,
List is
actually
so
I,
long.
yeah, right. And yeah, 2 months ago I visited so Gujarat. Yeah, Gujarat is nice city, and there's a Statue of Unity. So I saw,
Okay. You saw the Statue of Unity.
yeah, Statue of Unity and
Describe
Atal
something
Bridge.
about that.
Yeah, it's nice. Also, place is nice, and city is very clean city. And
Okay.
I took food there. It's in restaurants, and their food was very tasty. And their people are very genuine. So I like that place.
Yeah, yeah. Honesty is always there in Gujarat's part, especially in Saurashtra area, because I was also there in Jamnagar. If you have heard about Jamnagar,
Yes,
do you know
yes, I know.
Jamnagar?
Yes, I know
And
Jam.
and I was also Goa. I stayed in Goa for 2 years,
Okay.
and I have visited in so many beaches and so many churches. Bigfoot is there in Goa. Have you visited in Bigfoot? There is a museum named Bigfoot in Goa.
Actually, I don't know. Actually, I can't recall. But I have
Okay,
visited lots of places. Also, I have visited lots of beach, and there is one museum. I forgot that name, but yes, museum was okay. No, that museum was in Pune, and I have visited
okay.
casino, and that's nice place.
Yeah.
So
Then have you visited in so many places in our country? Then which place did you like most?
actually, if I genuine, if I live in Greater Noida, so I like Greater Noida. But if I talk about any places, so I like Jammu Kashmir because when I went to there in Vaishno Mata temple, so I feel very good.
Oh, that's nice. And I think you might be going Jammu and Kashmir on Vaishno Mata Mandir during the
Yes,
winter season
no, on summer season.
and summer season. Okay. If you would go in winter season at that time, there might be so cold.
Yes, but I went to summer season, so that time, that hill area. So I think I didn't feel that I have come in summer season because I felt very good, and their water was also very chilled, and so I think summer season is very good for going any places like hill station.
Okay, that's nice. And are you also preparing for college lecturer, right? For
Yeah.
professor.
Yes.
Oh, okay, that's great. You are going to improve yourself, your fluency, and as well as your job status. That's
Yeah,
great.
because yes, because that every person have a different goal. So I have only these goals. If I talk about my goals, so I have two goals. First of all, I want to enhance my communication skills, and the second one is I want to become assistant professor. So
Yeah. And communication skill is required at everywhere, especially in teaching job. If you are in teaching job and you have to
right.
uh, teach to someone, and if you are able to teach someone in English language while in government schools, that will be nice for you as well as for your children also who are studying in your school. And how would you describe to yourself in just in 3 sentences?
I am hardworking person.
That's great. And
Yes. Yeah,
it's
and
only
I am
one
very
sentence.
emotional person. I am very emotional person.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
are you do you do hard work to achieve your goal?
Yeah,
Suppose
because
that you
without
are
hard
preparing.
working, because without hard working, we can't achieve any goals. Because hard working is very important. If I will not do anything and I will think, yeah, I will become assistant professor and I will not do work. So how can it possible? And these
Yes,
days I'm learning. When I didn't know about this language, so that time I couldn't do anything for speaking. But when I started learning English, speaking, listening video, watching video, so it's only work. And right now I'm talking to you, so it's already I'm doing work. So
no,
without
yeah.
doing work we can't do anything.
And apart from this one-to-one session on this type of session, what other things you are doing to improve your English? Are you reading something, reading books, or any other things? Are you watching something in English language? What are you doing others?
Yeah, in my initial times, I was focused for only my learning English because that time I didn't know about grammar. So first of all, I think basic grammar is very important. Then I started watching on YouTube channel, and after that I watched some conversational video because I didn't know how to communicate. How
Connect.
should I
Yes.
connect? How should I speak other person as a face to face? So I watched some conversational video. But if
Yeah.
I talk about reading, so I am not reading these days. Already, I have told I am preparing for other exams, so I have to read my subject-related book. And whenever
Yeah.
I get time, so I talked as a video call.
Yes. Exactly. And I was also unknown that how to edit the video, and still I am unaware about that because yesterday when I opened a YouTube channel, and before day before yesterday I also saw a video on YouTube to editing, how can I edit in the kind star like this. And still I don't know much more about editing. I know something about in left right I
It's
can
a
edit,
very
I can
easy process. It's a very easy process. You know that nowadays everything is available on YouTube channel. If you
YouTube.
will
Yes,
go
yes.
on YouTube, you can search anything and easily you can find. So nowadays it's not difficult. When I used to study that time, we'll think English is very difficult. But nowadays we can't say that because social media is very easy.
We can
Media
learn anything,
we can
whatever
learn.
we want. You can go in YouTube and search whatever we want to learn, how to edit the video on Skype, how to make a call on
Yeah, yeah,
Skype, how to cook, how to speak, how to say something,
yeah,
how
yeah.
to visit,
Everything is
how to be,
available.
all things are
Already,
available on YouTube. So
already I
overall we
didn't.
can say that YouTube is a drastic change in our modern era, right?
Right, right, right.
Because before that we used to use the Google. We have to Google
Right.
everything, but it's more than the Google. YouTube is more than the Google, because in Google we can only find it in a written way, but on YouTube we
Right.
can see it in a video format, that
Yeah,
and
we
we
can
can
watch.
see it in live. Yes. Thank you so
Okay,
much for having a great conversation.
okay, nice to talk to you.